So good day everyone. So my name is Jun Marco Barreros from BSITS2A at ang topic natin para sa video na to is about operating system B9 or activity B9. So simulan na natin agad. So isa lang tong quick text-based tutorial or puro halos text lang to tungkol sa file services. So let's start natin sa pag-create ng public folder. So bago pala tayo mag-create ng folder, kailangan natin i-open yung ating Windows Server 2008 sa loob ng VirtualBox. So ayan, pagka na-open na natin yung Windows Server 2008, open natin yung Windows Explorer doon sa loob nun. Tapos navigate natin to the directory, specifically sa local disk C, where you want to create the public folder. So kapag naman mag-create kayo ng folder, right click nyo lang yung loob ng local disk C and then select new and then folder. So dito sa sa process na to, makakapag-create na kayo ng panibagong folder. Tapos sa folder na yon, pangalanan nyo siya ng public. So yan, name the folder as public and press enter. Pagkatapos naman nun, right-click on the public folder and select properties. And then go to security tab and then click on edit to change permissions. And then click on add to add users. And then type nyo lang doon yung everyone in the object name box. And click check names and then click OK. So select mo yung everyone from the list of users and check the read and write permissions. Tapos noon, click nyo na lang yung OK to apply the changes. So, sunod naman dito is paano naman natin i-restrict yung mga file types. So, una, i-right click nyo lang ulit yung folder na yon, tapos i-click nyo yung ulit yung security tab, tapos pindutin nyo yung advance button. Pag napindot nyo na yung advance button, click on add and then add everyone. So, click on edit for everyone. At pagkatapos nun, in the apply to drop down menu, ayan, sa drop down menu daw ng apply to, select files only. So, katapos nun, in the deny column, so ayan, deny column, check the boxes for create files or write data and create folders / append data. So, in the permissions column, check the boxes for full control and modify. Kumbaga, pindutin nyo yung button na modify. Kasunod nun, click OK to apply the changes and then click OK to close the properties window. So, ayan, nakapag-create na tayo ng public at naset na natin yung mga permissions dun sa public folder na yun. Sunod naman natin is yung pag-create naman ng vb.net folder. So, katulad lang to sa kung paano natin create yung public folder. So, right-click nyo lang ulit yung sa local disk nyo na C, tapos mag-create kayo ulit ng folder doon, right-click nyo lang, tapos new, tapos new folder. So, yan na, create the folder vb.net with the same procedures as the first one. So, ang ibig ko lang sabihin dito sa first one is yung nauna. So, ito yon yung naunang tutorial dito sa dalawa na to. So, yan. Balik tayo dito. So, set permissions for all users to read and write. So, set nyo lang yung permissions na yan. I-set nyo sa all para makapag-read and write. Siguro, or yun, para makapag-read and write yung mga users natin dito sa folder na vb.net. And then, to restrict file types, follow similar steps as above. Or, ibig kong sabihin sa above is itong nandito sa mga nauna. So, balik tayo ulit. Tapos, but specify .zip and .rar files extension. So, i-specify nyo lang yung mga i-restrict nating file types dito sa vb.net. So, yun na. Next natin is ipag-create naman ng surname section folder. So, follow similar steps as the first and second pages, yung kanina na create natin, but create the folder as surname section and specifically as Obreros BSITS2A. So, ganyan siya, may underscore, tas yung course nyo or section pala. So, ayan, set permissions for domain user to full control. So, set nyo lang yung mga domain user natin into full control. And then, to restrict file types, follow similar steps as above. Tulad lang din ng mga nauna. But specify .c, .cpp, .pdf, .rar, and then .docs, tapos ppt, then DWG file extensions. Katapos naman noon, mag-create ulit tayo ng panibagong folders na tinatawag nating ayan, tinatawag nating photo male and photo female folder. So, isang name lang yan ng folder. So, follow similar step as above. Katulad nga nung sinabi ko, nauna lang, kaparehas lang nung kung paano mag-create ng folder, but name it as photo male and photo female. Yun lang yung papakala natin. So, set permissions based on user's gender accordingly. So, you may need to have user accounts with such properties set up in your domain. So, ito lang yung mga na-create na natin dati ng mga students na ang gagawin na lang natin dito is set natin yung permissions based on the user's gender na lang. So, pagkatapos nun, to restrict file types naman, follow similar steps katulad ng mga nauna na specify ulit natin into .jpeg, .gif, and .png file extensions. So, yon doon na nagtatapos yung quick text-based na tutorial natin tungkol sa file services. So, salamat sa panonood and God bless. Bye-bye. Ayun na natin. Stop.